Welding is the process of joining two materials, typically metals, by heating them to a molten state and then allowing them to cool and solidify together. Welding has had a significant impact on the world in several ways. Manufacturing. Welding is an essential process in manufacturing, allowing for the fabrication of complex parts and structures for various industries such as automotive, aerospace, and construction. Infrastructure. Welding has played a significant role in building and maintaining infrastructure, such as bridges, buildings, and pipelines. Art and sculpture. Welding has enabled artists and sculptors to create large, complex, and unique pieces. Repair and maintenance. Welding is also widely used in repairing and maintaining machinery and equipment, extending their useful life and reducing waste. To improve welding, several advancements can be made. For example, automation. The use of automation and robotics can improve the precision and efficiency of welding processes, reducing errors and increasing productivity. Environmental sustainability. Improvements in environmental sustainability can be made by using more eco-friendly materials and reducing the waste and emissions generated during the welding process. Safety. Advancements in safety features and protocols can reduce the risk of injury or harm to workers during welding operations. Skill development. Improvements in training and education can help develop skilled workers who can perform welding operations more effectively and efficiently. In summary, welding has had a significant impact on the world by facilitating manufacturing, infrastructure development, art and sculpture, and repair and maintenance. To improve welding, advancements in automation, environmental sustainability, safety, and skill development can be implemented.